Welcome. This is Avi.
Enjoy!
And hello to our listeners, both new and avid one. We are truly grateful, as in, Dino.
Oo, truly indeed grateful sa inyo hatanan for always supporting us sa among podcast. And for our episode 8, daghan kaayo, hopefully daghan mo makatunan as well. So, the title is The Value of Self-Love in Today's World.
The perfect.
Yeah, so Dai, how do you define self-love in your own words?
Self-love for me is like prioritizing yourself more than others and valuing your self-worth without compromising your happiness. Agree ba kaday?
Yes, truly indeed.
The
Pak day. Pak na sak.
So, Dai, while we
Mm.
talk self-love, do you have experiences or like your journey on how you obtain the love that yourself deserve today?
Aha. Pag Miss Universe, may kaya question, oy.
Lagi ang now ready.
So, back then, I was teased because of my height, our skin color, and I have a scar in my nose. And it really affected me how I see myself and really made an impact for a long time. So, I felt unhappy, miserable, and really felt empty inside,
Mm-hmm.
but I really like don't show it to anyone because like I'm just pretending like everything is okay because I don't want people to feel sorry for me. So through prayers, reflections, and reading books, as well as listening to the people who share not identical experiences but share similar experiences, then I realized that I need to stop being hard on myself.
Mm-hmm.
I learned to let go of those negative emotions that I really pampered for years. And the most important thing is I learned to forgive myself, not just others. So that was my journey to summarize it. It was a long journey, but for me, it's sweet because I learned about myself and appreciate myself even more. How about you, Dai?
Nice. That's good that you forgive yourself and you acknowledge that feeling. So look at you
Mm,
now, Dino. Ka. As for my side man sa Day, I have a story like in my younger years, pero young gihapon ko ron.
young at heart.
Young at heart, ayaw lang ang age. So I don't have confidence. Like I always envy those who are confident people, who are confident person. I always hide my insecurities, my jealousy, and self
Mm,
doubt through my clothes. Like I wear
mm,
baggy, oversized shorts and shirts at that time. But it takes only one situation to change my perspective of self love.
mm,
I
mm,
was always called tomboy back
mhm,
then in
mhm,
my college with my classmates. And one of them even shouted at me, calling that
mhm,
name in the school corridor. Imagine that one. It was so embarrassing on my part. And the most embarrassing one is that I cannot even defend myself at that time.
mm,
So kahilakon kay ko atuday.
mm,
But one male friend of mine sat down at me and said, "Sugot ra di kag inanaon ka." So kana nga statement, that statement really changed me. I started wearing clothes that made me feel good about myself. I
mm,
wear makeup because I wanted to look beautiful, not because to impress. And
mm,
slowly I learned to be confident in myself, like
mm,
really confident with my appearance, my
mm,
body, and personality.
mm, mm,
Like I bloom into a beautiful wildflower. Charot.
ah,
Yes, but I did not lose my authenticity ba nga. Kana ganing
oh,
like now bahalag I wear dress like madam na madam pero puma
mm,
gihapon ko
mm,
mukaon.
oo,
Extra rice please. Nagyapon ba? Like even though I change my look, my appearance, but
mm,
nothing changes between my core. And I'm still authentic in myself, and I learned to love that one, and I'm proud of it as well. But same as you, it took me years and years to mold myself to become where I am right now. O, diba?
Mm-mm. That's so true. And I just remember my mom, when I was younger, my mom used to say, like, oh, you're unique, you're beautiful. And it's true though, because that's where you get your identity, your uniqueness, like you're being you. And
Correct.
mom, your parents will always be, not always be, but through their eyes, you're the most beautiful child, isn't it?
Yes, way.
Yeah.
Jay, mama nga mo, ingon nga, bati iyang anak. Ay,
Oh,
pinakagwapa sa tanang pinakagwapa. Maanyag na dalaga.
that's so true.
Ay,
So,
ginoo.
how about like the pressure in terms of like from yourself or peers or any social influences?
At first, as I said, I started to change myself.
Mm,
Before I only knew at that time, when I started changing myself, that being beautiful is like dapat white complexion gyud ka,
mm, mm, mm,
dapat flawless gyud imong skin,
mm, mm,
dapat skinny gyud ka like voluptuous. Char. Ay
mm,
ko paspilinga ha kay lisod.
mm,
Coca-Cola body. Kay that is how they advertised the epitome of beauty kuno sa Philippines, 'di
mm,
ba? And I fall into that one. I fall dili pod trap, but I fall into that scheme. Like I used kanang soap like Kojic, glutathione. At
mm,
only in the Philippines nga pati ang lotion kay naay glutathione
mhm,
and
mhm,
skin whitening lotion gid no. And ana, I fall into that one. I even take glutathione tablets
mhm,
ana,
mhm,
but not to the extent na mag-drip ko. But because of that one, that was the pressure that I felt from the society that I need to be in so that I will look and feel beautiful about myself.
mm,
But in the contrary, it was the opposite when I became more mature.
mhm,
When I start to accept my flaws, that
mm,
dili man ako ang nang ka-flawless sa Korean, no? Dili pod ingnon nga perti pod na kong puti no nga mura na gid kog si Chris Aquino, pero I believe I am still beautiful just the way I am.
mm.
Ana
That,
gani,
that's true.
because my family had also supported me in accepting myself on who I really am as a person, because that personality that I have, they cannot take it away from me, and that's simply beautiful. Achar.
Mm, mm.
Ikaw, Dai, how's your story about pressure from society and support system as well?
Like in terms of like pressure from the society, that is true though, because back in the days, when we were younger,
Mm.
sa atua is white is beautiful, isn't it?
Ay, as in,
A lot of people really get into that idea. Like I need to be whiter.
mm,
In the long run, people are not comfortable with their skin because
mm.
of the influences, like because of the feedback or the pressure from your peers as well. Like, oh, di ka guwapa kay di ka puti.
Oh,
Thing like,
na-adjud na nga statement. True, sakto ka, Day.
so ako wala ko nag-try og ka ng mga karabang glutathione
Mm,
injection. I'm not against any
mm,
of it, but it's just my preference. Although, yes, I feel pressure na I need to look a certain way because how that's how the society dictates. But it came to a point that you will reflect and you stop putting pressure on yourself and let go of those people na it doesn't help you in loving yourself as well. So letting go of those people that are pulling you down, you will learn to filter what you see and you hear. And like we only digest or ingest the things that can help us grow and mature in a positive way. Like for example, even back then, di gyud ko kabaw, I'm not a ladylike.
mm,
Even back then, like as you mentioned earlier on, like I myself is boyish.
mm.
Um, nakatry ko before og kanang inom og kana biton 'di ba back then, college days, glutathione pill. And then na-try pud na ako pa just for a couple of days, and then I realized like, what am I doing? I'm just I'm just fooling myself. So and then I stop, and then I slowly embracing, my skin. Like I'm not perfect, and I learned to accept my flaws. And I always like tinuod yun na nga ingon sila, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, because each one of us our have own definition of what beauty is.
Correct. Sakto
Yeah.
gid. As in.
And in terms of like support, yeah, I'm just it's always been like my prayer. Every time I pray, I always say like, God, help us, or like tabangi ko na giyahan ko niya ba in terms of like, the people that I will encounter in life that can make an impact and empower me in a positive way. And
Mhm.
of course, with your support of your family as well, that dili bitaw kanang it's not putting pressure on you to look a certain way.
As in.
Yeah.
And we're lucky about our families because they've supported us.
Mm-mm. How about you, Dai? In terms of like your support, have you got good support system at
Yeah,
home?
as I said earlier, my family had been supportive of me no matter how I look. They are the ones who really, I mean, took care of me, that don't be defined by others' definition of beauty, but just be true to yourself.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just be you, isn't it?
Just be you, you, you.
And you alone. Yeah, because that's where you find like happiness, like, and peace as well.
Mm-hmm.
And in terms of like any books that help you in your journey of finding self-love or embracing you, naa ba kay mga libro nga nakatabang sa imuha?
Actually, there are a couple of books that I've read. Bookish. No, but the book that really helped me to really value myself is the book The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. I don't know if you're familiar with that one.
I've heard about it, but I've never
Yeah. It
read.
is a really good read book, a self-help book and self-love book, because it taught me to be more comfortable in my own skin. There is a saying there that I can remember, like, it is only when you have mastered the art of loving yourself that you can truly love others. Di ba, Day?
Wow, pak, it's true though.
Oh,
Because
perfect kayo.
how can you love others if you yourself is not you loving your own
Yes, and
skin,
then at the same
your
time,
own self?
correct. Notice that an individual who likes to compliment others is the one that are secured about themselves. The
Mm,
more you compliment, the better you feel. Pero kato ganing mga nega sa life, day, daghan kay nang makitag flaw sa usa ka person.
mm, 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 mm.
Notice that one. So ana, ano di ay kung magkita ka sa usa ka person, like, uy, you look good on that skirt, or you look good on that dress or makeup. Isn't it too much? Dili. Pero you make that person her day beautiful already because of only one compliment.
Yeah, that's true though. That's what I learned, because back in the days, I think I remember when I was in high school, I was in a public transportation. I went and I really like was drawn to her beauty, but I couldn't like compliment.
Mm.
I'm too shy, or I'm scared of the feedback that I will get. But
Mhm.
now I've learned to compliment like the person, like how they look, they dress,
Mm.
without exaggerating.
Correct.
Yeah.
Na-appreciate lang nimo siya.
Mm,
Compliment
mm,
gani.
mm, 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 mm.
Diba, Day?
Yeah, yeah. And it's
Mm.
like liberating as well, because you make them happy, or
Mm.
you made their day. Like, remember that when we went to Covent Garden, and
Yes.
went to a shop, and then I was staring
Oh
at
yeah, The
the
Ordinary.
lady, yeah,
Mm.
and I was so amazed with the freckles that I really complimented her, and I said, "Your freckles, it looks really good on you. They're so beautiful." And then she said, "Oh, you really made my day."
Oh, see?
And I said, "I'm not pulling your leg or whatsoever. It's true that it looks beautiful." And
Yeah.
people are like mimicking, isn't it? Putting
Mm.
like fake freckles.
Freckles,
Uh,
yeah.
like through makeup or whatsoever. But with her, it's so natural. It's so beautiful. I think it's one of the example as well. Is just like embracing, your flaws. If your freckles is your flaws, I don't see it as a flaws, but it made you beautiful. It makes you beautiful as well.
Correct. You die. Same question ra po day, like the book that you read that helped you to where you are right now about self-love.
So, kani siya, mo ni siyang kanang, I was just still like on the verge of like finding myself. And then one of my friend from church really recommended this book. The title is The Battlefield of the Mind,
Mm-hmm.
by Joyce Mayer. So it was,
Mm-hmm.
and then I started reading the book, and then I started, oh, this is me, this is me. And it's not the same as identical experience, but you share this similar experience and how she find or she found her voice
Mm-hmm.
and start loving herself. So that's what really makes the book special to me, because I really appreciate and understand myself even more.
Good. That's really
Yeah.
good. So, Dai, as always, we have a takeaway, isn't it? Or learning.
Yeah.
So,
No,
what's
learn.
your learnings about loving yourself more?
I think accepting or acceptance, for me, acceptance in who you are, as a person. It's a basic and commonly used word, but it has a weight in it.
Mm-hmm.
Accepting who you are or what you are, like accepting your flaws, your imperfection, is the most liberating thing to do. Like, for example, in reality, I'm not like really tall person. I'm short.
Mm-mm.
So I don't get offended. I think that's the thing that I'm really proud of myself, because I used to get offended
Mm-hmm.
easily. But now I don't get offended if people will call me short or whatsoever back in the days. But now if people call me short, I don't get offended, because it's a reality that I am short. I'm
Mm-hmm.
not like heaven. So I use this as a platform. Like, for example, if I'm in the grocery store and I wanted to reach something in the shelves
Mm-hmm.
on top, and then I can't reach it. So I'm just gonna find someone that is tall enough to reach it. And then I always have this line, can I ask you a favor? Can you reach that thing for me, or the item for me, because I cannot grab it?
Mm-hmm.
Or sometimes people would ask me, what's your height? I said, I'm 5'11". But that's way of like making fun of it. It's just like it's okay to make fun of yourself sometimes, and being comfortable as well with your own skin, with your own self, and letting go of that past. All those heartbreaks, all those negative emotions that you were dealing for a long time, and
Mm-hmm.
just focus on the present and future. And for me as well, stop making comparison. Like, don't compare yourself to others, because you are different. You are unique, as what your parents said. You are beautiful in your own skin, and be confident as well.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah. How about you?
I learned to like enjoy my own company. It's the best
Mm,
self-love that I can give to myself. It's like enjoying your
that's
own company. Like sipping your latte while reading a good book, taking a nice bubble bath, or just simply binge watching your favorite Korean novellas, no? Like I do
mm,
it for myself because it's a good investment for me. After all, I'll have myself forever man. Mora ginay di mo biya nako day. Ako ang
mm,
kaugalingan. Next is I'm always confident. Confidence is when you're not trying too hard to please people, but confident that you accepted your own skin, your own imperfections and flaws, and made it to your own advantage. Like what you
mm.
said earlier, you're aware of your height, but you can still make fun of it, di ba? Because you
Oh,
already value yourself and you know already yourself. And growth and maturity, that you need to really accept your truest self to be confident, and
mm,
despite the imperfection that you're have flaws, you are still happy and contented and be able to
mm.
complement. As I always
Yeah.
said, like when you go out in your own house, there will always be much more prettier, whiter, and smarter than you are. So unsaon man
That's
na nimo pag-accept be nga inana man gyud na ang reality sa life. So
yeah, that's
i-accept nimo siya through accepting your own flaws, that you're not smarter than most of the others one, but you have something that they don't have as well.
yeah, that's true.
So
That's true.
ana siya day.
Yeah, it's like being kind to yourself
Mm,
and being hard on yourself. And as you've mentioned earlier on, that's a good point, no? Stop pleasing others. You end up being unhappy because you're not feeding your soul.
correct.
You're feeding someone else.
Yeah. Like I do
Yeah.
have this insecurity in myself before that I'm really not flawless as much as possible. I would love to be. Pero ang saon man day nga lubak-lubak man gini ang tong dance sa atong naong.
Mhm.
So ako siyang
Yeah.
gi-accept. By accepting that one and making fun of it, I became more happy. I became more
Yeah.
contented about my own skin and be able
Yeah.
to very feel confident about myself.
All that we said leads you to a healthier you,
Yes,
holistically, emotionally, mentally, physically, and you will find inner peace, as you've mentioned, and happiness.
correct.
Yeah, pack na pack, day.
Pak na
I
pak
hope
day.
no they've learned something, no one or thing or two or three or four. So all right, guys. So as always, no, at the end of our episode, we have quotes for the day. So nindot kaayo nga mahimong ikaw.
It's great to be you.
Truly,
Maka-proud.
truly maka-proud. So
So,
it's a small phrase, no, but the meaning
yes,
or the
its
impact.
impact is really
Mm.
kanang impactful.
Oh,
So, we hope you enjoyed today's podcast and learn a thing or two to become the best version of yourself.
as we always say, every day is a learning.
We are
Truly maka.
proud. Till then, until next time, see you soon.